Welcome home. Today we're putting Schumann frequencies 7.83 Hertz in water, and then we drink it. Are you ready for the experiment? Welcome to the lab. We already tested a Schumann frequency generator. We made brain waves with our head. And as there are so many generators outside that spread the frequency, hopefully they do, wouldn't it be better to put the effect of the Schumann frequency in water and then we drink the water? First we change the water and then we swallow the water. This is way more interesting than just having a generator making its thing. And as you see, the lab is ready. And for today's experiment, I have a perfect Schumann frequency generator. Not these toys that nearly produce just square waves. No, we have a real sine wave generator. It is exactly measured to 7.83 Hertz. And as you want to learn something, I tell you how this experiment goes. So this frequency generator has an output impedance from 50 ohms. And as the coil is way too small for this frequency, we have to adapt a little. But this is no problem. From high frequency antennas, we know that a resistor in the feeding point helps a lot. So this is a 50 ohm resistor. We put it here to the plus point. Then we want to change whether we really have a pure sine wave. Negative to the negative, and this one here. And what do we have? A perfect sine wave. Wow, welcome to 7.83 Hertz. Schumann frequency is generated. This means we have all what we need. Isn't this pure? Isn't this beautiful? And now we have this bottle with a coil, and we put it to the generator. First, we put the minus. I cannot say this is a minus, because we have a frequency. It is always switching between plus and minus, plus and minus. And now when I connect the bottle, the coil of the bottle, you will see a decrease of the amplitude of the wave, because this is the part that goes directly in the coil. Did it? Yes, it happened. This is the energy that goes directly in the coil. Now it's active. This coil is resonating in 7.83 Hertz. What also means in the middle we have this concentrated electromagnetic field. This is what we need. Outside of the coil it's very diffuse, but inside we have pure 7.83 Hertz. What means now we can fill in the water. I put my funnel here. Here is tap water. Nothing special. I make it full. I will drink everything. Okay. This means now, just wait a little. Let the energy get into the water. And we know this, probably you know this Chinese man, Masaru Emoto. He said, we can put information in water. And we put the information of the 7.83 Hertz. I don't know what. We are in the lab. We are testing something out. I never made this in my life, and probably you also never did this in your life. But this is the fun part. We can learn something new. And I think we could even increase the energy a little more. What do you think? Let's increase the energy. We have 10 volt peak to peak at the moment. So let's go. Yes, we increase it to 20 volt. peak to peak. Is there more? No. This is maximum. But this is good. We have double. Yes. Good power of 7.83 Hertz Schumann frequency, introducing the energy in the water. Oh, look, there's even a fly coming. This is no white wine. Go away. Probably the fly already realized this water will become tasty. And now it's brewing. Did ever someone made this? As the oceans are always exposed to Schumann resonances. And you know what these are? These are all the flashes, these sparks from all thunders around the world. This means this is nearly like a cavity, and they build up a resonance. This normally happens naturally. But now here we make it artificial. And what we can do in this video, we can make a probe. We test it, whether it tastes different to normal tap water or whether it changes the taste. This is at least what we can do in this video. But there might be even a long-term effect. Imagine I drink the water. What will happen to my body? In the evening, next week, imagine I'm always producing this water and I'm drinking it over weeks, months. I don't know. I will test it. I could say, don't do it at home. We don't know what will happen. And meanwhile, as we are talking, the water is still charging with the information of this electromagnetic field. What will happen to the molecules of the water? I don't know. I can't imagine that it is dangerous. But in a lab, we always produce the test. I think now it's time to make the test. So let me get first normal tap water. Just normal tap water. And then we put the charged Schumann frequency information charged tap water in this glass. Are you ready? Normal tap water, Schumann frequency charged water. Let me try it again. I already feel something. Definitely, definitely. Okay, the taste of water is the same, but it tastes way softer. So much softer. This is tap water. This is no sparkling water. This sounds like, it seems like a little sparkling water. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Definitely. It's way softer. This is interesting. Now I can leave it there. I don't know. I can leave it there for half an hour, a day, and then I drink it. And then probably we will make another video. Because when I drink this water over time, you still want to see whether I'm still living or not. Whether I become better or worse, I don't know. I prefer this water. Way softer. Try it out. Mm-hmm. Yes. Imagine, we can use this water when you make a soup or when you're cooking spaghetti or any meal. You can put it in the coffee, in the tea. When you make a soup, we can thin it. Half a liter normal water, half a liter of this. I don't know how long the information stays there. I don't know. This is the first time that I do it, but it's really worth continuing this experiment. So, thank you so much. I'm still alive. I still can say goodbye here. No, all is well. Yes, thank you so much for making this experiment with me. I feel so much better as you have been here giving me some company. Yes, and I would say there's so much in my archive, 1,200 long-form videos. Good ideas. Watch the other Schumann frequency experiments and all the other good mental stuff. We'll see us in another video.